Ladies and gentlemen, in case you don't know me, they call me a big joke. They call me the hush puppy of comedy. I'm a big boy. I don't shout white cracking jokes. I'm not here to perform, I'm here to crack jokes. You know, the way this country they be. My bros, they talk about girls. When I know say girls, I be from now when I dey inside motor. From my tooth, they come Okoko. If it dey inside motor, they come Okoko. Conductor call your bus stop, person to answer. Over Abi. I dey inside motor from my tooth, they come Okoko. Conductor shout, I like it at bus stop. One girl for no, they gon' shout, here is. And conductor say, there is. Conductor confused, he say, you are condemned. We dey go further. Conductor shout and Greek bus stop. Another guy shout is there. Yes, that are my fans. They are my fans. This one pick Abi. As we dey come, conductor go shout Okoko bus stop. One girl, one form. She don't know how to form. She go shout, it should be. And conductor say it should be. No worry, when we don't reach Agbara. Conductor go shout Agbara bus stop. One girl shout Iswa. They go drop the girl for one bus stop. Where they call Iswa? She enter motor come back. When I know say this country hard now, when I they travel, they go Port Harcourt last week. As we they go, see where armed robber block us on road, they shoot. Did they shoot? We won't try escape, no way. Finally, they can't catch us. There's everybody come down, be in a straight line. We did for straight line. When armed robbers search the full bus, money where they see for the bus now 2,500. See where Oga of armed robber they shout, when I don't get money, I can't allow us the rest for a bullet, Abi. We are going to give us money for bullet. Nobody bring money. See where armed robber say, no worry. We go kill off now way there. Before we go kill now, we go ask on our name. See where armed robber they ask people their name. You young man, that say yes, what's your name? My name is Joshua, the killer pa. That is useless name. That's another person. You just on there. That's why my name is Tinidu. The master, Tinigili, Kilan. Pa, the Kilan. They go ask one woman. They say, young man, what's the name? The woman say, my name is Loveline. They say, Loveline as the one clan. Because now my mama name be that. Come like this, I know kill you. And they go ask one guy, where they the woman back. They say, young. He said, yes, what's the name? He said, my name is John, but my friends, they call me Lovely, Armed robber shoot the guy armpit. Pa! Who put the armed robber self laugh? You so boy, people they lie for this country. Armed robber said, no worry, we go ask on our fans before we go kill Nana. See where armed robber they ask people that fan. You want fun are you? That's how Chelsea, They kill him. Pa! Useless fan. That's another person. You want fun are you? Now I got the thing, the kind of fundraiser, all this ritualists, armed robber they support. Now because all Barcelona are shot now one armed robber and I shout, kill and I bust my ticket, They shoot the guy, pa! Yeah, you fool. When they shoot the guy, everybody come they fear, now they come reach my tongue. Those are the comedians, they talk rubbish. Now the armed robber look me up to two. He say you. I say yes. What fan are you? Before I shout, I'm a standing fan, They shoot my brain. The best way to my back now he don't do. They say he don't do. What fan are you? Before I shout, I'm a standing fan, They shoot them for brain. The way this country tell me, I don't understand. You know, say for this country, determine the kind name you give your pikin, the name go follow. You know, if you name your pikin goats, make it God expect and make it they do like foul, na lie. Now, so one woman they complain to my pastor. He said, Pastor, my pikin too they smoke. I couldn't wonder, why the pikin no go smoke when it's Sunday in a Benson? This, ladies and gentlemen.